I am in my lazy era, but that's okay. So today we are going to be talking about substitute teachers and what they can do in the summer to get paid. Now, I know that finding a job in the summer can be really difficult, and I don't want to give the advice to just do unemployment because I feel like states are so different with that. And I've heard one thing and then heard another, and I don't know. So I don't think you can get unemployment, but I don't want to be the one telling you that. And if you are able to get unemployment, good for you. But if you are wanting to work in the summer and have summer fly by and be great and you have something to do, here are some ideas that I will give you to do just that. So the first one is nannying. This is something that I have done, I think, since 2020, and I still do this. And the kids are now old enough where I just take them to their sports. But nannying, you can obviously do any age. You're still working with kids, and doesn't matter what the age is. You can drive them to parks or stay at their house all day, whatever floats your boat. That's a really nice and easy one, and especially if they're local, they're in your area, you can check babysitter.com or any babysitting websites that are around you, or I wouldn't suggest Craigslist, maybe Nextdoor, which is an app, or anything along those lines. Another one is ESY, which is extended school year. This is for students who have special needs, and they are required to have like instruction based on their needs for it's like hourly. So like, for example, 50 hours of speech class for a student who has autism. I'm just making that up, but that might not be the correct hours, but that's just an example. And so what happens is they go during the school year, and it's like half the day. So like if they are in elementary school and they go from 9 to 4, 9 to 3, it would be like more like 9 to 1. And you just go, and basically you're a paraprofessional for the day, and it's a job, and it's worth it. You're making a difference. You're being with these wonderful kids. And it's a half day. So you'd be home like after lunch, you still have your day. You still have like early morning if you like to wake up. You have the late afternoon and evenings to chill as well. You can work in retail, work at your favorite stores. Nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't. That's personally my opinion, but why not? Maybe go to the mall and see what's there. You can also work at a restaurant of your choice as well. I think that would be really fun. What about DoorDash or Grubhub? You can do, those are like the easiest things. I actually did that when it was 2020. I was subbing, and I didn't have a job, and I was like, okay. So I DoorDashed, and it was actually very simple. It took a lot of gas money, but it brought in the money, and quickly, because you got paid I think it was every week that you did it, you got paid. So that was nice. So that's certainly an idea. Summer camps. Now, if you're older, you probably are like, I don't really feel like doing that. But maybe there's some sports camps that you can do, or library camps, whatever you're interested in, like pottery. See if there's anything that you can like teach there, or be with students there, or assist with. Like, find something that you're interested in, and especially if you love working with kids, which I'm sure you do as a substitute teacher, that would be such a good job to do for the summer. You could also just walk dogs, cat sit, do when your friends go on vacation or families around you go on vacation. It doesn't have to be just family, but that's an option too. I know that kind of seems a little childish, something that like a 12-year-old would do, but hey, if you're gonna make some money off of it, I think it would be fun. Especially get to pet dogs all day, walk dogs, get your steps in, or pet some cats, play with them. I think that would be fun. Another one that I would suggest is doing a side business. If you love making bracelets, why don't you just start making bracelets and selling them on Etsy, or start an Instagram account and have a shop through there, and TikTok and all those fun things. This is how I actually started my subbing business, and I just needed some extra money, and I decided I wanted to help people who were learning to be a substitute teacher, and it turned into now my regular job. So you never know what that can come out of it, and you just never know. Those are some ideas that I have for you for summer time when there is no school in session. It's important to know that you do not need to go off of this list. You are an adult and you can make your own decisions. I just wanted to give you guys some ideas in case you were looking for a job and you just didn't know where to start. These are just great options and easy options that you can do in the summer. In the meantime, go ahead and check out my classroom management playlist, and I will see you there.